Today we're talking about reflections in geometry. A reflection is taking a shape and flipping it. The resulting image is congruent, which means same shape, same size to the pre-image. When reflecting across the x-axis, the x-coordinates stay the same, and the y-coordinates change signs. Here's an example. A reflection across the x-axis of points 3, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6 becomes 3, negative 4, 3, negative 7, 5, negative 6. When reflecting across the y-axis, the y-coordinates stay the same and the x-coordinates change signs. For this example, a reflection across the y-axis of points 3, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6 becomes negative 3, 4, negative 3, 7, and negative 5, 6. Hope this helps clarify reflections without a graph. Subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.